Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 14E, page number 229. So, before solving this exercise, we will have the quick revision of about AM, PM, and 24-hour time notations. First of all, AM and PM. AM stands for anti-meridian and PM stands for post-meridian. AM, we know that it is a time means midnight 12 o'clock to the day 12 o'clock means 12 noon. Okay, so this time period is called the am, and after the 12 noon means this 12 o'clock noon to midnight 12 o'clock, this time in during these times are called pm. Okay, and also you can see here we do not attach am or pm when exact time is 12 o'clock at midnight or 12 o'clock noon. Okay, so we are not attaching like am and pm when we are writing the 12 o'clock, so we are writing only midnight. It is a midnight or it is a noon. So simply you can just understand like this: when it is a 12 midnight. Okay, so midnight after this to here. Okay, 12 midnight to 12 noon, this time is called this is your am. Okay, and 12 noon to, okay, this is the 12 noon to, again it will be and where 12 midnight, that is called your pm. Okay, so just have a quick example. Just you can see, suppose I just tell 9 9 o'clock morning. Okay, so which time it will be, am or pm? So of course morning means you can say am. Okay, suppose I told that 4 o'clock evening. Evening means after 12 midnight 12 noon, so that is your 4, this is your 4 pm. Suppose I told 10 12 night, so 10 12 it is your pm, so you can write 10 12 pm. Okay, so likewise if I say that 3 o'clock morning. Okay, morning means this is your am, so write am. Okay, so likewise you can write for the am and pm. Okay, so already you have you all have studied about these things. Now we have the 24-hour time notation. 24-hour notation we have already studied. The 24-hour clock in class 3 already you have studied. 24-hour notation represent in the railways time. Generally we are telling this a time from 12 midnight to 12 midnight night. 12 midnight to 12 midnight night, that is your 1 hour, sorry, 1 day, which is your 1 day. Like this 12 midnight, it is represented as 4 times 0 means 0 actually, and 12 midnight again it will be 24 hours. Okay, and this is your 1 day, and it is total how many days? This is in your 24 hours. As you can see here, the first two digits refers to hours and last two digits for the minute. Here you can see this is for the this part is for the hours and this part is for the minutes. So like 3:25, so this is 3:25 means what? 3:25 it is actually your pm. Okay, 3:25 pm. So when it is converted in the railway, so this is your 15 25 minutes. Okay, so this time is actually 3:25 pm, which is your 15:25. So just we will relate between the 24-hour clocks and 12 hours clock. This means that 24-hour time and 12-hour time. You can see by this table you will understand better. 12-hour time means when 12 1 means 12 1 means this is the midnight. Actually this is the now new day started. Okay, new day started means at the time in the railway it will be only 1. Okay, 0.11 only minute, and hour part will be the 0. Okay, so likewise when it is a 1 am, so there is the 1 here, you can see in the hour part, that is the 1. Likewise it is like the 5 am, so it is the 5 hours. So you can see that one common thing is that this am part, whatever the hour is there, same hour is here, except this 12 means that is treated as 0. Okay, otherwise you can see there is a 6, so here is also 6. It's a 7, so here is also 7. So it means that whatever the time in am, the same time will be in the railways also. Got it? Whatever the time in the this 12-hour clock, you can see there is a 4 o'clock. The same time is there in 24-hour clocks also, in the railway time also. But you can see there are some changes. It changes started from here also you can see 11, so here is also 11. So am part is okay whenever it is started from 12 noon. Now it is a 12 noon means now here you can see 12 o'clock. Okay, got it. Now next you can see when it is a 1 p.m. Okay, so you can see this is the important one, when it is a p.m. So now here you can see this time is not changed to the 13. It is not same like as earlier it was, it's the same like, not it is same like am. You can see here is a pm when it is, so now it is a 13. So it means now we have added plus 12, means after this 12 noon it is now adding 12. So 12 plus 1 13. So again this pm part 13, you can see there is a 15. So you will add the 12. So this will be 12 plus the 12 plus 3 15. So it means when it is a pm part, so when the time is pm, so your this railway time 24 hour will be the 12 more it will be. Okay, because from this 12 noon in our watch again it is started in 12-hour clock 1 2 3 likewise. But in the 24 hours it is after 12 13 14, now it is counted. And now it will be, say it will be go on to up to 11 p.m. you can see this is 23 hours. But when it is again 12 midnight, okay, when it is 12 midnight you can see this is the 24 hours, or we can see 000 hours. Okay, similarly you can see here, you can check from here also, when it is the 12 am, so just before it whatever the time is there, just before here the same time is this one. Okay, so now this time is actually called 12 24 hours when it is a 12 midnight. Okay, so this is the about the relation between 24-hour time to the 12-hour time. Okay, now next you can see time elapsed in activity, means whenever we are doing any work, so how much time it is taken. So these are the questions for that these examples you can see for based on this elapsed time. These are the questions which is based on the elapsed times. You can just see how much time it was taken from 12 hours 45 minutes to 18 hours 10 minutes. So likewise these are the some questions, you can go through this example. So now you just see here, these are the examples. Okay, so now we will solve it directly exercise 14e. Okay, so this exercise, before solving this exercise 14e, some points I want to give you, that is very useful. It will be, if suppose your time is given in pm, okay, time is in the pm, just you can note down it also. If your this time is given in pm means suppose in any question you have to subtract, and the time is given in pm. Okay, and one question is given in that one question, in another one is the time is given in am. Okay, one is given in the am, one is given in pm, and one is if it is given in am. Okay, then what you have to do, so here what you have to do, suppose it's, if it is one in pm and one it is in a am. So in this type of question you have to make the same kind of unit. Likewise we are converting like a centimeter centimeter, meter meter, or kilometer kilometer. So we are converting in the same unit. Same we have to do here also, either we have to convert in pm or am. Suppose whenever you will convert this pm to the am, so what we are doing there in that chart, you just know. So we are adding the plus 12. What you will do, you will do just do the plus 12. Okay, if you are converting this am part, so what you have to do, you just add plus 24. These two things we will use somewhere. Okay, in the when we will solve these questions, we will use these concepts also. When you are converting this pm, so you just add plus 12. Okay, plus 12, and this time is, if it is given in am, you just add plus 24. When we will solve it, just keep in this keep in your mind, when you will use it, then you will understand it better. Okay, now let's see these questions. Here is first question is that how many minutes are there from. So how many minutes that we have to find out. So like suppose number b, I will solve 4:35 to, that is 4:35 p.m. to 5 p.m. How many minutes between these two, that we have to find out. So let's do it. So how you will solve. So first of all, you can write this one, this number 1, question number B. So here I can do like this, 4, okay, 4:35. Okay, so now 4:35 p.m. So now how much time we will add, means how much minute we will add, so we can make it the round. Round means this is 4:35, we will try to make it to the round one, like 5 likewise. Okay, so now if we will add 35, means there is 60 minutes in 1 hour, so 35 minutes if we will subtract it, so how much it will be left? So of course it will be 25 minutes will be left. So it means we will add here 25 minute only, we will add 25 minutes. It means now the time will be now 5. Okay, not time will be 5 p.m. Okay, now this time I have to reach here, so now total time is now, so we can write here total time, how much time it is taken. So you can write here 25 minutes. So that's your answer. Okay, so now here one more question you can see, 11:55 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So how you will solve? Same process we will follow. So same process we will do for this one also. So this is number C, same question number 1. Time is given 11:55. So 11:55 and it is am. Now we will try to make it the round one. Round means we will try to reach to the nearest rounded number. So like this is 11:55. So just next number will be 12. So how much time we will add? It will be the 12. So of course there are 55 minutes. So 5 minutes we will add. It will be 60. Means 12 minutes. So it will be the 12 o'clock. So we will add the 5 minutes here. So when you will add the 5 minutes, means 11:55 plus 5 means after 11:55 o'clock 5 minutes it will be 12. So now this 12 will be the noon one, this 12 noon though. Okay, so this will be the 12 noon. Now this 12 noon to we have to go where, 30 minutes more. Okay, 12:30. So of course here I just you add the 30 minutes more. Okay, you can add the 30 minutes more. So now after adding 30 minutes more, it will be 12:30 and 12:30 it is your PM. Okay, so after this 12 noon, this is the PM. At this time I have to reach. Now you can see how much total time it is taken. So this total time you can calculate total time. So your total time will be this 5 minute. Okay, and plus your 30 minute. So these two time you can add it. So that will be the total time. So with you can see it 5 plus 35. Sorry, 5 plus 30. It is your 35 minute. So how much total time it is taken? 35 minutes. So that's your answer, 35 minute. Okay. So likewise you can do, or either you can put 0. It will be easy. So now this is your answer. Now next is the next question number 2. In 2, how many hours and minutes are there from? So how many hours and minutes? Okay, so that we have to calculate. So I will solve here question number C. Okay, so 10:50 a.m. to, that is 12 hours 5 minutes p.m. So between that how much time it is taken, so that we will calculate. So number 2, question number C. Number 2, question number C. It is 10:50 a.m. we have to given. So now we will try to the same concept we will do. This 10:50 we will try to reach to the rounded number. So after 10 which number will come? 11. Okay, 11 will come. So how much what time we will add? So we will add the, suppose only we will add the 10 minutes. Here we will add the 10 minutes. So it means now we will have the 11 o'clock exactly. This is the 11 a.m. Now time is 11 a.m. Now we have to reach to the next rounded number. Next rounded number means we will reach to the 12 o'clock. Okay, so we will reach, so 1 hour if you will add here 1 hour. So it means now you will reach to the 12 o'clock. This is the 12 noon. Now after 12 noon there is again we have to I have to go the next for the 12:05. So 12:05 means you simply you can add the 5 minute you can add. Okay, whenever you will add the 5 minute, so now you will reach to the exactly 12:05 and this is your 12:05 p.m. Now you reach to the 12:05 p.m. This time you have to reach. Now you can see the total time. So now you have to calculate the total time. So now you can calculate the total time. So total time you can calculate. So here it is taken 10 minutes. So right here. So it's better you have to write in this format, hour and minute. Okay. So hour and minute. This in this format you have to write hour and minute. It will be easy. So this is, there is no any minute, only 10. Sorry, no any hour, only 10 minutes. So write 10 in the, and hour side 00. Here I put the 00. Okay. Now next is that 1 hour only. So right here 1 hour and minute side is 0. Now next you can see, next we have 5 minute. So now 5 minute you can add it here, this 5 minute. So here is the 5 minute, hour is again 0. So now this all value we will add. So this will be the 15, here will be the 1. So it means what is now, how much time is taken? 1 is our hour side and 15 is your minute. 1 hour 15 minutes. So that's your answer is 1 hour 50 minute. Okay, 15 minute. You can see in this way we have done. Okay, so these times we have added here and we got the answer. We are just writing separately hour and minute, and likewise you can do it. Got it? Okay. Here you can see question number D. So 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. means exactly 12 hours. You can see from the same time it is a.m. to p.m. only. Same hour is there, 8 to 8 only, a.m. to p.m. It means total 12 hours it will taken. So you can write simply 12 hours, or you can calculate like that. Earlier we are doing that 1 by 1 hour you have to move, and then after you can calculate. Okay, so likewise you can do, or I just told that you can just use the shortcut method also. What is the shortcut method? This pm part you can write the 12, this one 12 pm. Okay, now this is the your 8 am. So as I told that if you will subtract, because we have to get the time between that, so we cannot subtract because here is a pm, here is a am. So what we can do, we can change this pm part. I told that either you make am or pm. So I will change this pm part. It's always I am telling that always you have to change the pm part, because am will be the same in the 24-hour clock. The same time is there, because this am is the same time in the railway clock also, means 24-hour clock, the same value. Only this pm part is changing, so we will change this pm part. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will add the plus 12. So it means you will add the plus 12 in 8, so it will be 20. Okay, it will be the 20. Okay, 20 hours and 0 minute. And now this is your 8. Now you can subtract it. So here it will be 0 0. So here will be 12. So it means how much hour it will take taken actually, 12 hours. So in this, by this method also you can solve. Okay, what you have to take care, only you have to change the pm part. As I told when we have started solving this exercise, I told about this. We will use this concept also. Okay, now next we will solve exercise, same question number, that is 2f. Okay, this question I will solve number f. Okay, see it, number f, which is question number 2f. Okay, so question is, it is 21:45 hour to 02:50 hours. Okay, so between this these two given time, we have to find out how much time it is taken. So how you will do? First of all, as I told that step by step you can do it. So we will do the step by step first method. I will solve by this question by two methods. So first it is your 21. So this is 21 hour 45 minute. Okay, now this time too you have to go the next rounded. So after 21 which time will come? 22. Okay, so 22 it will come. Okay, so for this how much minute? So 50 after 15 minute, because 45 minute plus 15, so that will be the next time. Okay, now this 22 you have to move for the next rounded number. Okay, so it is that this 24. So I will do here. Directly means if I will add directly 2 hours, so that it will be the 24. 24 means it will be the noon. Exactly, it is a noon, or you can say 12 hour, or you can, this is 24 hour you can say, or 00. Okay, so this is your which time? This is your midnight. This is your midnight. Okay, this time is your midnight. Now from here again you have to move for the 2 hours, because you have to go for the 2 o'clock. So now next you have to move for the next. So now you will reach for the 2 hours, means that is the 2 o'clock. So added, so how much time you have added here? So you have added 2 hours. Okay, here is 2 hours. Now this 2 hours to again 50 minutes more we have to go. So 50 minutes again you can add here. Okay, so now you will reach to the 2 and 50. Okay, so 2 and 50 hours. Now you can see how much times you have added here differently. So that all times you have to add, total times you have to calculate. So right here, total time equals to, total time equals to, I told that 1 hour side you just differentiate and minute side. So first you have given the 15 minutes, so hour side 0 and there is 15. Next, that is the 2 hours we have taken. So right, minute side 0 and 2 hours again 2 hours you have taken. So that is your 2 hours again, and this side is minute side is 0. And then after again hour side 0 and 50 minutes. Okay, so these are the times you have taken. So you can add 5, here is 6, here is 4. Okay, now you can see this 65 we cannot in the hours minute side, as you know that, because maximum 59 you can write. So for this you have to divide by 60, 1 times 60. So remainder will be 5. So this 1 will be sent it to the carry to the next. So 1 will be here, this is sent to the next part, and here is actually 5 is left now. So this is your 5 minute, and here 4 plus 1 it is your 5. So your 5 hours. So your answer is 5 hours and 5 minutes. So this is the one of the method. Likewise you can solve. Okay, just you see it once again. This is your solution. In this way we have done. Okay, so this is your one by one we have added the time duration, and then after all this added time we are adding as a total. So this is the one method. Okay, so second method now we will do. That is the second method, then method 2. This is the first method. In this way we have solved. Now second method, okay, you just understand this second method also. In second method what I will do, total time was given, last time means 250. Okay, and this is 250 means this is the am, because the in the railway time 250 is, that is 24 hour clock, that is the 250 is am. And the next it was given 21:45. So this actually this is your pm. If it is in the railway time, sorry, in the 12 hour clock, it will be the pm. Okay, so here actually no need to change this pm. So now what you will do, I have to subtract here. In the starting I told that whenever you will subtract am to pm, they should have the same unit, either pm or am. But here pm and am, but now you can see we have to subtract in the am. So for this am, I told that when you are subtracting am, you have to add the plus 24. When you are subtracting in pm, you have to add the 12. So here is am part. So what I will do, I will add 24 here. Okay, so when you will add the 24, so here what will be the answer? 24 plus 2, 26, and there will be the 50. Okay, now here actually earlier it was 21, the same we will write, no need to change. Now you can subtract. So you will subtract, so here will be the 5. Okay, now here will be 0. Okay, now here it will be 5. So now you can see this is actually, here is actually, this was the hour and it was the minute. Again same thing, hour and minute we have divided. So now we got the answer, 5 hour and 5 minute. So that's your answer. In this way also you can do. It is very easy actually, in one step you can get the answer. Simply we have added and get the answer. You can check that same answer we got or not. Okay, so you can solve by this method also, no problem. Got it? Next we will solve question number 3. What time will be after 4 hours? Means this given times is, these are the given times. After 4 hour what will be the time? Okay, so like 9:30 am. So after 4 hour what time it will be? So that we have to consider. So like this question number 3b. Okay, so question is given, that is one part is hour and one is the minute. Okay, So here it is given 9:30. Okay, 9:30, 9 hour 30 minutes. Okay, so after 4 hour, so our side you can add the 0, sorry, our side you can add the 4 hours. So that is, I have added after 4 hour means plus 4, after means plus, you can add it. So this side will be 0 and 3, 30, and 9 plus 4, 13. So 13 hour and 30 minutes. So you cannot write this 13. 13 means this is the railway time, but you have to write in the form of AM and PM, because question is given in AM. It was given in the AM. Okay, it was given in AM. So what you will do, so you can change to the railway time, this railway to 12 hour time. So what you can do, you can subtract here 12. Okay, you can subtract the 12, so you will get the this. Now this is the 30 and this is your 1. So now this 1:30 means what, 1:30 p.m. So your time is now 1:30 p.m. So that is your answer, 1:30 p.m. So this is the one of the method you can solve by this. Okay, simply you can add and you can solve. Okay, or directly you can add plus 4. So 9 plus 4 you can calculate like this, 9, then after 9 you can calculate, like this also, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 o'clock, then 11, 12, and this is the 30, 30. So then after 1, so 4 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 and 4 hours. So 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, plus 12, to after 12, 1. So this is your time is 1:30, because 30 is there same. So 1:30. So in this way also you can do, or either you can do in this way. Now next you can see next question, one more question you can see from here also. So here is that, see, 11:15 p.m. So after 4 hours you have to calculate. So 11:15, so that's the question number, same number 3C. Okay, number 3C, which is 11:15 p.m. So 11:15 p.m, 4 hours is needed. So you can do in your mind also, 11, then after 12. Okay, 11, then after, this is the 12, then after 13 means 1, 1, then after 2, then after 3. Okay, so now your time is now 3. So 3 hours. So actually your time is 3 and the minute will be the same. So 3:15 p.m. So this is the PM. So now when it will be changed, so it will be AM actually, sorry. It is AM because this is the 11:15, night 11:15. So 4 hour you will add, so it will be the 3:15. So this is the one of the method. Next method what you can do, you can like 11:45 you will write here. This is your hour part, this is your minute. So you can hour, this is your minute. Okay, now 4 hours you have to add. So first of all you add it, how much, 4. So it will be the 45, sorry, here is 15 actually, this is the 15. Okay, so now this is the 15 and here will be the 15. Now this is the 15, 15. So now this is the, again this is come in the 24 hours time. So 12 you can subtract. So when you will subtract the 12, so what will be there, so you can subtract the 12 as I have done in the last questions we have done. So you can subtract the 12, so you will get the answer in AM or PM. So this is your 3. So now this is your AM. Okay, because this 15 is changed, because here actually it was the, this 11:15 it was the PM. So now next it will be the AM. So likewise also you can do, or one by one these methods like plus 1 plus 1 hour plus 1 hour you can do in this way also. Okay, now next question you can see, question number A, 4 AM. Okay, so this 4 AM you can solve, question number 4A. Okay, so it is given 4 AM. So in this 4 AM you have to subtract, means 5 hour before you have to find. 5 hour before means 5 you have to subtract here. Before means subtract. So can we subtract this 4 to 5? No. So so what you will do, as I told that when AM is there and you cannot able to subtract directly, so what you can do, you can add 24. So add here 24. So it will be now 24, 28 it will be. Okay, now you can subtract 5 hours now easily. You can subtract now 5 hours. So when you will subtract, so it will be this, you can subtract, so it will be the 20. 3, you can write here 23. Now this is your 23. Now this 23 you have to change to the again in the AM PM, because it was question is given in AM. So now you can change to the, so you can minus 12, sorry, you can minus 12 you can do. So whenever you will subtract minus 12, so it will be, 11 11. So your answer is, question is given in AM, okay, so answer will be in the PM, because 24th means next time we are talking about, we, no, this is your 12 PM is your answer. So in this way you can do, or either you can calculate like this, like 4 hour is given, okay, sorry, your time is given 4 AM, so you have to subtract the 5 o'clock, okay, so you can subtract in this way also. Likewise you can calculate like 1 hour before 3, then again 1 hour before 2, okay, again 1 hour before 1, then 12, then after 11, so now you reach to the 11. So likewise you can do also, one by one step you can subtract and you can do, or either you can do in this way also, okay, this is up to you how you want to do. Now one more question from same question number 4, which is number C, okay, number C, which is 2:30 PM, question in this 2:30 PM, okay, now you have to subtract here 5 hours, so this is the hour part, here is the minute, okay, 2:30, and here you have to subtract the 5 hour before, means 5 you have to subtract, okay, so can you subtract in these two? No. Why? Because 2:30 and 5, so again you can see this is given in the PM. So what you can do, if you are not able to calculate, so what you can do, whenever it is a PM you can add the plus 12, if it is a AM then 24, but it is a PM, so you can add the 12. So 12 plus 2 14, okay, so 14, and here is the 30, and 5 you have to subtract, so 5 is there, next year it is 0 0, so you can subtract here easily, so this will be the 30, and here it will be the 9, okay, so 9:30, so 9:30 is your time is actually in the AM, and I told that when it is your question was in the PM, so answer will be in the AM, okay, got it. So 9:30 AM is your answer. This is the one of the method, in this way you can do, okay, this is the method, in such way you can do. Otherwise that was the traditional method, means one by one you can subtract, like 2:30 is time is given, so in that 2:30, so again you can, first of all you can subtract the 30, okay, so first of all that 30 minute you can subtract, so 30 minute you will subtract, so you will get the, or directly you can do, directly what you can do, directly you can subtract there minus 2:30 hour, so you will reach to the, when you will subtract 2:30 hours, you will reach to the 12 noon, directly you will reach to the 12 noon, your time will be the 12 noon. Then after, from here you can again subtract the 2:30 minus 2:30 hours, again you can subtract, okay, so this will be your 9:30 hour. So now you reach to the 9:30, you can say the same, and this 9:30 is actually AM, okay, so you can check that this your answer, this answer and this answer, the both have the same answer, and you can see 2 and 30 means 2 and 30, so altogether it is a 5 hours, so we back to the 5 hours now, so you got the 9:30. So in this way also you can do, this is up to you which one you want easy, you can solve. I have told this two, I dictate the two methods, you can, so you can follow anyone, which one is easy for you, which one you understand better, you can follow that method, okay. So these are the solutions, okay. Now we will solve question number 5. Here number C, A, you can see 4 hours 42 minutes and 8 after 8:30, after means you have to do the plus, so you can add, means 4 hour 30 minutes, in this 8:30 minute is given, 8:30 plus 4 hours 42, so when you will add these two, 8:30 plus 442, you will get the 1272, so 1272, 72 we cannot write, so 1 will be come here, so it will be the 1312, so your answer 1312 means 1:12 PM will be the answer. You can add these two numbers given, okay, so we will solve number C. So let's do this. Number 5, question number C. So it is given that 3 hours 23 minutes before 4:10 p.m. Before means you have to subtract before. So what is the time given? 4:10. Okay, and 4:10 is the p.m. And how much time? 3 hours 23. And you can write here also, this is your hour and this is your minute. So 323, so that you have to subtract before you have to do. So now before means subtraction, but here can you subtract it easily? Directly you can you subtract this pm? Okay, so here actually you can subtract here, but it will be, this answer will come, you can check that. You can see the, here it has no any unit, only hour, like only hour is given, 3 hours 23 minutes you have to subtract. am pm is not mentioned, so it's better you have to change to the railway time. So you just this is the pm part, so you add the 12, so it will be the in the 24 hour, so it will be the 16 and it is the 10. Now you can see here is 323, so 323, and you have to subtract these two. Okay, now can you subtract 1023? No, so it means we will take the borrow from here, so here will be 15 and 1 hour will come here, so 1 hour this side will come, miss this side will come to, it will be the minute. So 60, so 60 plus 10, it will be now 70. Now 70 minus 23, it will be 47. Okay, already we have discussed this type of questions in the previous chapters, previous exercises. Okay, so you know it. So now 15 minus 3, this is the 12. Now 12:47, so this 12:47 is your, here is the pm, so your answer will be in the am. Okay, so now your 12:47 am is your answer. Okay, next we will solve same question number 5, number D. Okay, so here we will solve same question number 5 from the same questions. Next number D, which is given that 6, this is the hour is given and minute is there, so 6:20. Okay, it is given 6:20 am, and there we have to subtract 8 hour 35 minute. Okay, we have to subtract these two. So can we subtract these two? No, because here is am and no unit is there, so we will change to the another one. So here is am, so we will add the 24. So whenever you will add the 24, it will be, that is your it will be the 30 and 20. Okay, 30 20. Now here it will be the same 8, you can write 08, or here is 35. Now we can subtract, yes we can subtract. So here you can subtract, so again the same thing, we cannot subtract, so we'll take the borrow, so here will be 29. Okay, now this side will come 60, so 60 plus 20, it will be 80. 80 minus 30, 35, so it will be 45. Okay, now here 29 minus 8, 21, so 21:45. So 21:45, it is in the 24-hour clock time, so we will change it. Okay, so here how you can change it means, you have to, here you can check that you can subtract here 12. Now you can see this is, here is that we will subtract the 12, so because this is in the 24-hour clock time, so we will subtract, so 45 will be here and here will be 9. Okay, so 9:45, so 9:45 is what, in the question you can see it is in the am, so your answer will be in the pm. So this is your 9:45 pm. Okay, so this is your answer. Got it? In this way you can solve your questions. If it is in am, you just add 24. If it is a pm, add 12. Got it? Now next question number 6. Mike started doing his project 6:20 p.m. and finished 9 a.m. How long did it work? Means this is the final time, this is the starting time. You have to find the duration, means how much time he has done. So you can subtract this 2 times. So like this number 6 you can do. What is his finishing time? You can write the finishing time minus starting time. You can write like this. So this finishing time is your given, what is that, that is 9:10. Okay, and it is given 6:20, and you can check that both time is given in pm. Okay, this is also given in pm, this is also given in pm, and we have to subtract, so no need to do any changes, both are in the pm. Okay, and also this is the greater one and we can subtract it easily, so both is in the pm, no need to do any changes. So you can write pm. Now you can subtract, so we'll take the borrow, so here will be the 8, here will be 60 will come, so 60 plus 10 70, so here will be the 70, so 70 minus 20, so it will be your 50. Okay, now here 8 minus 6 2, so 250, so 250 means this is not actually pm, this pm will be it is not required to write the pm. Okay, so it is actually this is the hour, this is the hour part, this is your minute part, you can so write it is, you can write here, so your answer is 2 hour and 50 minute. And why we are not writing pm here? Because we are comparing the two times, two given times, so we will find the only duration, what is the duration between these two times, so that's why 250 means 2 hours 50 minutes is your time. So this is, you can write like finishing time, starting time, and these two you can subtract. Number 7, a train leaves Delhi at 10 a.m. and reaches Jaipur 2:50 p.m. How long this travel? So again the same thing. This is the reaching time and this is the starting time. Okay, so you have to get the difference. So you can do this same. Okay, so again you can write the, this is your starting time, reaching time. So reaching time you can, and starting time. So it is given, reaching time you can see it is given 2:20, 2:20 it is given 2:20 p.m. Okay, and it was starting time is given 10 a.m. Okay, now you have to find the difference of these two. So now you can see, can you subtract these two? No, this am and pm, so it's better this am part, this pm part you can change to the pm in the 12 hours. So this pm part you will change, so you will add the 12, so it will be your 14 and here it will be 20. Here is, this is your hour, this is your minute. Okay, so now here in the, see here 10, you have to subtract the 10, so now subtract, here will be 20, here will be 4, so your answer is 4 hour 20, you can write 4 hour 20 minute is your answer. Okay, 4 hour 20 minutes is your answer. Got it? Now next you can see, next question. Number 8, Ananya has leave for school at 8:05 a.m. if not time is 6:35 a.m. Okay, so how much time she has in her hand? So she has to go at 8:05, but now actually time is 6:35. So how much time she has now? So again you have to subtract. Subtract means here you have to subtract in 8:05 a.m. to 6:35. So directly you can subtract. Okay, so 8:05 you can subtract. This you can do very easily. It is both is, this is the 8:05 a.m. Okay, and you have to subtract the 6:35. This is also in am, no need to do any changes because both in the am. Okay, so now subtract, so here will be the borrow you will take, so 60 will come, so 65 it will be, so 65 minus 35, so it will be 30. Okay, and here will be the 1, so 1 hour 30 minute is the answer. Okay, so very easy this one. Now number 9, you can see, on June 1st Sunday rose sun rose 5:30 a.m. and set 7:23 p.m. How long does it above the horizon? Means it was rose on 5:32 and set on 35. This is the finishing, this is the finishing, this is the starting, so you have to subtract it again. So this do number 9, same you have to subtract. Okay, only subtraction is there. Number 9a, so what is the finishing time? That is the and is 7:23 a.m. You can write this is the set time and this is the rose time. Okay, rose time is 5:32 a.m. Okay, this is the pm actually given, this is the pm. Now you have to subtract these two, so again you can check that this is in the pm, this is in the am. So what you will do, you have to change it, so you will add the plus 12, so you can plus 12. So when you will do the plus 12, so it will be 1923. So here again this is the 5:32. Okay, Now you can subtract this two. This is your hour part, this is your minute part. So now you will take this will be the 18. Okay, so here will be 60 plus 23, so it will be 83. Now 83, this you can subtract, so it will be 51. So now 18 minus 5, this is your 13. So what is the time? So the duration is 13 hour 55 minute. Okay, so your answer is 13 hour 51 minute. Okay, same only this is the PM part, this is AM, so PM we change by adding 12, and now we got the answer. Okay, now next for this number B from the same question, number 9b, you can check that in this 9b it is given that on the same day moon rose at 8 p.m. and set 5:17 p.m. Two times is again given, so you can do the same thing for this. So 5:17, and this is your AM is given, and this here is 8:10 p.m. is there. Okay, and you have to subtract this two. So you can see here is the AM, so you can add the 24 here, because you cannot subtract. Now whenever you will add 24, so it will be 29 17. Okay, this is your hour, this is your minute. Now this is your 8 and 10, and you can subtract. So when you will subtract, so you will get here 7, and here it is 21. Now this is in the railway time, so what you can do, you can minus 12. Okay, you can minus 12, so it will be 7, and here it will be 9. Okay, so now you can see this, here is the question, it was AM, so now you can change, actually you have to find a duration only, so that's your only simple 9 hour, no AM PM is required, 9 hour 7 minute. Okay, so that's the duration, because two times we are getting the differences of these two, so 9 hour 7 minute. Okay, now next you can see last question we have, which is number 10. And a concert lasted for 3 hours 15 minutes. Okay, if concert and this is the finishing time 23:55 hours, what is the concert goes on. So you can solve this number 10. So first is the hour and is the minute. So is this 23 is given, and this side is 55. Okay, now 3 hours means finishing time we have to miss, when it was started that we have to find. So total time was taken 3 hours and 15 minutes. It was it was running, so now we can subtract these two. So now here it will be 40. Okay, and now here it will be 20. So now you can change to the this time, railways time. So now you can subtract this 12 hours 44 hours time, sorry 24 hours time to the 12 hour. So you can subtract the 12. Okay, so you can subtract 12. So here it will be 40, and here will be 8, and this is your PM. Okay, and this is your starting time when it was started. So this was it was started 8:40 PM. This is your answer. Okay.